Good morning, students. Let's do Ramanath. Om. Om Shanti 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 Swasti. Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter derivative. It is the ninth class of the derivative. Okay. Before this, we have already discussed the derivative of inverse trigonometric function using proper substitution method, and some concepts, some formulae, some proper substitutions, etc. We will discuss. We are already discussed. Okay. Now today we will learn the differentiation of implicit function. At first, we should know what is implicit function and what is explicit function. Normally, the function like y is equal to 3x plus 5, y is equal to 4x square plus 2 divided by 6x plus 7. These are known as explicit function. What is explicit function? Only notice, don't write, only notice and observe. What is the meaning of implicity and what is the meaning of explicity? This is we can write this is y equal to what? Y equal to f of x. If the function y is equal to f of x, this is called explicit function. What is this? Explicit function. Okay, explicit function. What do you mean by implicit function? The function which cannot be expressed as y equal to f of x. Okay, the function which cannot be expressed as y equal to f of x uniquely, this is called implicit function. For example, xy square plus 2xy plus 1 is equal to 0. This is an example of implicit function. Implicit function. That is, simply we can say explicit function means y equal to f of x form. Implicit function means y is equal, what is y cannot be expressed as function of x. This is function of x comma y, that is mixing of x comma y is equal to c. Okay. Now what is definition of implicit function? Right, definition of implicit function. What is implicit function? The function which cannot be expressed as y equal to f of x, or the function which is in the form of x comma y, function of x y is equal to some constant, is called implicit function. Okay. Now write down implicit function and explicit function. First, explicit function. Explicit function. The function which are in the form of, the function which can be expressed as y is equal to f of x is called explicit function. Explicit function. For example, y is equal to 3a square minus 1 by 2x plus 5. This is function of x. So this is what? This is function of x. This is function of x. and y equal to f of x here. So this is called explicit function. And what do you mean by implicit function? Implicit function. Implicit function. The function which cannot be expressed as which cannot be expressed as y equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x, that is uniquely is called implicit function, is called implicit function. The function which cannot be expressed as y equal to f of x uniquely is called implicit function. Implicit function. Another definition. What is implicit function? Another definition. Or the function which is in the form of f of x comma y is equal to c, where c is any constant. C is a constant. Is called implicit function, right? Implicit function. For example, what are the examples of implicit function? For example, example of implicit function. Example of implicit function. Examples of implicit function. Okay. Implicit function means mixing of x comma y. Okay. The function which are mixed x with y is called implicit function. For example, this is x square y plus xy square plus x plus y is equal to suppose 1. This is implicit function because here x and y mixed here. So this is implicit function. Clear? And another example, x square plus y square is equal to suppose 4. It seems to be explicit, but it is not explicit because here this is implicit function. This is implicit function. These two are implicit function. Okay. Here x y mixing here. तमे कौन कहबो ना तमे कहि परिबो y स्क्वायर आन देबी y स्क्वायर बाहर करबी 4 minus x square एला y रे केता हो y डा हो plus or minus root of 4 minus x square. तो plus or minus means what? Double हेगला. But कौन लिखा है डेफिनेशन रे यूनिक हो. यूनिक माने सिंगल. Unique माने what? Single. Here y square is equal to what? Plus or minus root over 4 minus x square. Double हेगला. Double हेले implicit double हेले explicit होबनी. Double इन ए टाइप एग्जांपल देथि फंक्शन रो आमे जनरल भागदा एटा y equal f of x लिखि परिबा. ओके लिखि परिबा बट डबल आंसर आसो y equal to plus or minus 4 minus x square. डबल आसी गले ता कहबा implicit. y equal to f of x plus or minus is out. तो कहबा कोन implicit function कहबा. Now these are the examples of the implicit functions. Now how to find dy by dx from implicit function, or how to differentiate implicit function. Procedure 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 to differentiate or to find dy by dx from implicit function. Procedure to find dy by dx from implicit function. This is very easy. Don't worry here. This is very easy. Step 1. Write the given implicit function. Write the given implicit function. Clear? Step 2. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay. This is note for you. What is d by dx of y to the power n? Note for you. This is note for you. N into y to the n minus 1 into dy by dx. Clear? Suppose what is d by ds of suppose y cube? First x to n formula 3y square into derivative of y with respect to x, dy by ds, etc. What is d by ds of y to the power 6? That is 6 into y to the power 5 into dy by dx. These are the concepts which are used in to find the derivative of implicit function. Step 3. Write the terms involving dy by dx in one side and the other terms in another side. Step 4. Take common dy by dx and find dy by dx. How? This is the procedure to find the derivative of implicit function, the differentiation of implicit function. These are the 4 steps to find the derivative of the implicit function. Now let's discuss some problems related to implicit function. Okay, now let's do some problems. Now some questions. Differentiate. Question number 1, xy square plus xy square x square y plus 1 equal to 0. Suppose question number 1 here. This is question number 1 and its solution is step 1. Write the given implicit function. This is implicit function. Implicit function अच्छी किन जाने तो मैं equation form देती हूँ. इटा कोटे equation form देती है नहीं. जदि equation form रे अच्छी तबे आमे जानिबा सेटा implicit function. Clear? एटा कौन होइछि? एटा equation type देछि. Implicit function means equation type रे देती हो. That is f of x y equal to constant. That is called implicit function. So this is function of xy is equal to constant 0 here. So it is implicit function. First step. Write the given implicit function. What is implicit function? Solution number 1. xy square plus x square y plus 1 is equal to 0. First step is over. Then second step. Differentiate differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x means d by dx of xy square plus d by dx of what? X square y plus d by ds of 1 plus d by ds of 0. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Clear? Now this is product of two functions. So apply u into v formula. V means y square into dx by dx plus x into d by ds of y square plus v du. V means y into d by ds of x square plus x square into dy by dx. Derivative of any constant 0. Derivative of 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Then what will be here? So this is equal to y square into dx by ds 1, and this is x square, x here. Derivative of y square, first derivative of y square with respect to y and into dy by ds. So this is 2y. जदि y अच्छी with respect to x अच्छी, first formula तापरे into dy by ds हो. एटा ठीक माइंड ये सुनो. फर्स्ट मन d log y अच्छी आमे केन करथले dx फर्स्ट एटा चेन रूप करथले नै 1 by y करथले into dy by ds करथले. सिमिलरली जदि y टकर n अच्छी with respect to x derivative करियो अछि, फर्स्ट फार्मूला n into y to the n minus 1 into dy by dx. एटा टिके माइंड रे रखियो पड़ी. So this is equal to what? 2y into dy by dx plus y derivative of x square means 2x. जदि y square था फार्मूला तापरे into dy by dx था plus x square into dy by dx is equal to 0. This is step number 1. This is step number 2 complete. Now what is step number 3? The term containing dy by ds. Write the term containing dy by ds in one side and remaining terms on another side. So dy by ds term here, dy by ds term here. Write these two terms in left hand side. So this is what? 2xy dy by dx plus x square into dy by dx. Other terms in the right hand side. This is minus y square and this is minus what? 2xy minus 2xy. So common here 2xy plus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus common y square. This is suppose minus y square here, minus y square minus 2xy divide this is, and dy by ds is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to here minus y minus 2xy divided by 2xy plus x square. So minus y common here, that is what? Minus, this is y square, this is y square no? This is y square here. So minus y common, y plus 2x, and this is x common, x plus 2y, x plus 2y. This is your answer. Okay. Now another question, question number 2. Now question number 2. This is what? 2 x to the power 1 by 2, y to the minus 1 by 2, x to the 3 by 2, y to the minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2. यदि कौन कॉमन बॉक्स कॉमन कर लीजिए हो, सो ये कॉमन कौन हो? x square 1 by 2, y to the minus 1 by 2. First common. This is equal to what? 1, 3 by 2 common means common version power minus over 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 1. So 1 plus x to the power 1, and this is minus 3 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. So what? Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is minus 1. So y to the power minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Or you can take here, this is equal to what? 1 plus x into y to the minus 1 equal to 0. Or this can be 0. Then what is this here? This is equal to 0, or this can be 0. X to the power 1 by 2, y to the power minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. That is x by y. Or you can write x y to the power minus 1 equal to 0. Same thing. This is x root x by root y equal to 0, or x by y is equal to 0. Here x by y equal to 0. Either taking this same thing here. So differentiate both sides. This is implicit function. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of x by y is equal to 0. Derivative of 0 equal to 0. So replace u by v. V du y into derivative of x1 minus x into dy by dx is by v square means y square is equal to 0. And this is equal to what? Minus x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Minus cancel. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to y by x. This is answer. Okay. This is question number 2. Then question number 3. Question number 3. Write the question here. Implicit function y square cot x plus is equal to x square cot y. Write the given implicit function. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x means what? D by ds of y square into cot x. D by dx of x square into cot y. So apply u into v. So this is equal to v means cot x into d by dx of y square plus y square into d by ds of cot x, which is equal to v means cot y into d by ds of x square plus x square into d by ds of cot y. Okay, then cot x, what is derivative of y square with respect to x? First apply formula 2y, then multiply dy by dx. Y square, what is derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x, which is equal to cot y. What is derivative of x square? Derivative of x square 2x plus x square. What is derivative of cot y? What is derivative of cot y? First, in terms of with respect to y, minus cosec square y into what? Dy by This is step number 2. And what is step number 3? Write the term containing dy by dx at 1 plus. So this is 2y cot x dy by dx, and another, this is minus, so it will be plus x square into cosec square y dy by dx. Dy by dx, this is equal to what? 2x cot y, and this is minus, this will be plus y square into what? Cosec square x. So take common dy by dx here. So 2y cot x plus x square cosec square y into dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to what? 2x cot y square cosec square x. Then dy by ds is equal to dy by ds is equal to what? 2x cot y square cosec square x divided by 2y cot x plus x square into cosec square y. This is the solution of the question number 3. Now let's see. Now solution of question number 3 completed. Question number 4. Y is equal to 10xy. Write the given implicit function. Step 1. Then what will we do? Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of y, d by ds of 10xy. Okay. So this is equal to what? Dy by dx, and suppose this is x, consider x. What is derivative of 10x? Derivative of 10x means sec square x. X जगह रे केते अछि? x plus x y अछि into chain rule कोन कोछि? तमे x जोटा को भागिबो into derivative of that function. So d by ds of xy. D by ds of xy. So this is equal to dy by dx sec square xy u into v. V du. V means y derivative of x 1 plus x into derivative of y dy by dx. So this is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to sec square xy into y, means y into sec square xy plus x into sec square xy into dy by dx. So take this term left side. So dy by dx minus x into sec square xy dy by dx is equal to y sec square xy. So take common dy by dx. So 1 minus x into sec square xy into dy by dx is equal to y into sec square xy. So dy by ds is equal to dy by dx is equal to what? Y sec square xy divided by what? 1 minus x sec square xy. This is answer. Okay. Then question number 5. What is question number 5? Y equal to, question number 5 solution of question number 5, y is equal to y into log xy. Yeah. So difference, this is implicit function. Y equal to, suppose here y, this will be what? X is equal to, not y. Question change, x is equal to x is equal to y log xy. or we can write differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. With respect to x. So dx by dx. So d by ds of what? Y into ln xy. So derivative of x1. This is u into v formula. V du log xy into derivative of y dy by dx plus u dv y into d by ds of log xy. So this is equal to 1 is equal to log xy into dy by dx y, and this is what is derivative of log xy, y into 1 by xy into derivative of d by ds of xy here, and this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 is equal to log xy into dy by dx into dy by dx. This is 1 log xy into dy by dx plus y cancel here, y cancel, so 1 by x into derivative of u into v. V means y into derivative of x1 plus x into dy by dx. So what is here? Now 1 is equal to log xy into dy by dx plus multiply this y by x plus what? X goes cancel, dy by dx. So right here 1 minus y by x, and this take common dy by dx. This term take to common dy by dx. So what is here? Log xy plus 1 into dy by dx. Clear? And this is equal to what? This is equal to dy by dx. That implies dy by ds is equal to dy by dx is equal to what is here? X minus y by x whole divided by 1 plus ln xy. So that implies finally dy by dx is equal to x minus y divided by x into 1 plus log xy. This is answer. Okay, now solution of from question 6 to 8. Question number 6, differentiate y to the 6 is equal to x to the sin y. Write the given question. So this is solution. Answer: y to the power x is equal to x to the power sin y. First we observe that it is variable to the power variable, so logarithm concept, so logarithmic differentiation method is used. Okay, y variable to the variable here, here also variable to the variable, so log method applied. Taking both side log, taking both sides log, that is x into log y is equal to sin y into log x. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. That implies d by ds of x into log y, d by ds of sin y into log x. Okay, so here u into v, v du means log y into derivative of x1 plus u dv x into d by ds of log y, which is equal to ub log x into d by ds of sin y into plus sin y into dy by d log x. Yes, u into v here. log x into derivative of sin y and sin y into d by ds of what? Log x. Now which is equal to what? Which is equal to log y plus x into what is derivative of log y? 1 by y term also जेहेतु तब dy by ds होगा is equal to log x sin y derivative, that is cos y into dy by dx plus sin y derivative of log x means 1 by x. Procedure is collect the term dy by dx in one side and another side other terms. So x by y, here dy by dx, and here also dy by dx. This is equal to sign. So take this and take common dy by dx. X by y minus log x cos y into dy by dx and other term dy by dx and other term right side. What is this? This is sin y by x, sin y by x minus what? Log y, log y. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to sin y minus sin y by x minus log x whole divided by x by y minus log x into cos y. This is answer. Okay. Now solution of question number 7. This is what? Sin y by x. This is log y. Log y divided by x minus y minus log x cos y. This is answer. Now another question. That is question number 7. Solution: e to the power xy plus y into sin x is equal to 1. Differentiate. This is implicit function. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. D by ds of e to the power xy plus d by dx of y into sin x. So apply chain rule. Derivative of e to the power xy means e to the power xy into d by ds of xy. Here, and this is u to be v du sin x into dy by dx plus u dv y into derivative of sin x means cos x, and this is equal to e to the power xy v du y into derivative of x1 plus x into dy by dx plus sin x into dy by dx plus y into cos x. So multiply here e to the power xy into y, so y into e to the power xy plus x into e to the power xy into dy by dx plus this is what? This is equal to derivative of 1 is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, and this is sin x into dy by dx plus y into cos x is equal to 0. Okay, this multiply. Then write the term containing dy by dx term. This is left side. Write this term left side. So common dy by ds here. So x into e to the power xy plus sin x into dy by dx is equal to what? This is 0. This is 0. So this will be what? This will be minus y into e to the power xy minus y cos x. So this is equal to dy by dx is equal to what? minus y into e to the xy minus y cos x divided by x into e to the xy plus sin x plus sin x plus sin x. This is answer. Okay. Then question number 8, solution. Log root over x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse y by x. Log root over means half, so this can be 1 by 2 into log x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse y by x. This is the simplest form. Root over means half, so power tagwas, you know. Then differentiate. Differentiates both sides with respect to x. So 1 by 2 constant. So d by ds of log of x square plus y square d by ds of tan inverse y by x. Okay. So this is equal to what? 1 by 2 and 1 by x square plus y square into derivative of x square means 2x, derivative of y square means 2y into dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx is equal to what? Is equal to tan inverse x formula 1 by 1 plus x square means y by x whole square means y square by x square into d by ds of y by x. D by ds of y by x. So this is equal to cancel, come on. So this is equal to 1 by 2, here 2 common cancel. So multiply this 2x, this is 2x. So 2x into 1 by 2, so x by what is here? X by x square plus y square, and this is 2 cancel, 1 by 2 here, 2 cancel, y by root over x square plus y square into dy by dx is equal to what? V du v x square by x square plus y square u by v v du x into dy by dx minus y into derivative of x v du minus u dv, derivative of x1 here by what? X square. So x square cancel. Now what is here? Now this is equal to what? X by this is x by, okay, so this is x by x square plus y square, and this is plus y by x square plus y square into dy by dx. Now RHS is equal to what? RHS is equal to what? Multiply this x by root over what? X square plus y square into dy by dx, and this is what? This is minus y by x square plus y square. So dy by ds, right? This left side, right? This and this in left side, okay? And take common dy by dx. So y by, so x square y square x square. So this is y by what? X square plus y square minus what? X by x square plus y square into dy by dx is equal to what? Minus x by x square plus y square minus y by x square plus y square. So x square plus y square was cancelled. Okay, x square plus y square cancel here. So this is y minus x by x square plus y square into dy by dx. Minus common here. Minus common here. So this is x plus y divided by here x square plus y square. So this is cancelled. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus of x plus y divided by y minus x means minus of x minus y. So this is cancelled. Minus minus cancel. So final answer is x plus y by x minus y. This is final answer. Now another question. Prove that if sin of x plus y is equal to y into cos of x plus y, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 plus y square by y square. Solution. This is 9. Given sin of x plus y is equal to y of cos of x plus y. So take this sin by cos. So this is what? Tan of x plus y is equal to what? Y. So also you can write here x plus y is equal to what? Tan inverse y. This will be g. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Both sides with respect to x. एमती तो कि g हो मतलब सीधा हम कले भी आंसर आसो. एडो डेरिवेटिव कले भी आंसर आसो. एडा कले आदिटा स्टेप कम हिजो इजी रही जो. ओके. So differentiate derivative of x1 dy by ds. What is derivative of tan d by ds of tan inverse y. This is dx by ds by ds. So 1 plus what? dy by dx. This is 1 plus 1 by y square into dy by dx. So dy by ds common है. So this is dy by dx minus 1 by 1 plus y square into dy by dx. Okay, this is minus 1. So what is this here? dy by ds is equal to dy by ds is equal to, so 1 minus 1 plus y square into dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So this is equal to what? 1 plus y square minus 1 divided by 1 plus y square into dy by ds. So this cancel. This is equal to minus 1. That implies what? That implies dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 plus y square by, this is y square root. Okay. Then another question. That is question number 10. Question number 10. 1 minus x to the power 2n plus root of 1 minus y to the 2n is equal to k constant x to n minus y to n. Okay, then prove that dy by dx. Then find dy. A type question, general question हम कहूची. ये सब power even देखो. 2n it is 4 दले it is 2. It is 6 दले it is 3. It is 20 दले it 10 हवा. Okay. A type question गोटे प्रकार हवा. तमे x to n को काम लिखी बलिया root over 1 minus x to n whole square plus root over 1 minus y to n whole square is equal to what? K into x to n minus y to. ए substitution करले इजी हिजो. sin नेला हबो cos नेला हबो. sin नेला हबो cos नेला. Put x to n equal to cos alpha, y to n equal to cos beta. So alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to cos inverse x to n and beta is equal to cos inverse y to n. Now put here, this is equal to what? 1 minus x square means cos square alpha plus root over 1 minus cos square beta is equal to k into cos alpha minus cos beta. Okay, so this is equal to what? Sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to k into what? This is k into cos alpha minus cos beta. What is sin c plus sin d formula? 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. This is equal to k into minus 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, so this is what? Cancel sin, 2 cancel, this cancel. So this is equal to what? Cos, and this is sin. So cot alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to what? Minus k. And this is equal to what? Alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to beta is equal to minus alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to cot inverse minus k. Cot inverse minus k. Okay. And this is equal to what? Alpha minus beta is equal to 2 cot inverse minus k. Alpha minus beta is equal to what? Alpha minus beta is equal to 2 cos inverse minus a. And this is equal to what? This is equal to, what is alpha? What is alpha here? Here alpha means cos inverse equivalent minus beta cos inverse y equivalent is equal to cot inverse 2 into cot inverse what? 2 into cot inverse minus k. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x to n whole square into derivative of x to n into x to n minus 1, and this is equal to minus here present, so plus 1 by root over 1 minus y to n whole square into n into y to n minus 1 into dy by dx. This is constant, so derivative 0. That implies n by root over 1 minus y to the power 2n into y to the power n minus 1 here, n minus 1 dy by dx is equal to minus here plus is equal n into x to n minus 1 divided by root over 1 minus x to the power 2n. So n cancel, therefore dy by dx, that implies dy by dx is equal to n. It represents x to the power n minus 1 into root over 1 minus y to the 2n divided by here it represents y to the n minus 1 into root over what? 1 minus x to the power 2n. This is proved. Okay, answer. Then last question is what? 11 cos y is equal to x into cos a plus y. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to cos y. X is equal to cos y by cos of a plus y. Differentiate both with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. So dx by dy, VD formula. V means cos a plus y into d by dy of what? Cos y minus u. Cos y into d by ds of cos a plus y. So dy by ds is equal to what? Dx by dy is equal to cos by v square present. This is cos square a plus y. Cos a plus y, derivative cos y with respect to y, minus sin y minus cos y, and this is minus sin a plus y into dy by dx into what? Into dy by dx. Then by what? By cos square a plus y. So this is equal to ds by dy equal to dx by dy is equal to, here minus minus plus, and dy by d is not here because with respect to y na. So this is y. This is derivative with respect to y. So dy by ds rahiboni. So this is minus minus plus. So sin a plus y into what? Cos y minus cos a plus y into sin y divided by what? Cos square a plus y. So this is equal to what? Now dy by ds is equal to ds by dy equal to now dx by dy is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b formula. Sin a plus y minus y divided by what? Cos square a plus y. So this is equal to what? Y cancel. Dx by dy is equal to sin a by cos square a plus y, but we are required dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to what? Cos square a plus y divided by sin a. Proved. These are the almost we completed all the questions from textbook. Now next class we'll do some extra problems and infinite series like y equal to f of x to the power f of x to the power f of x to the up to infinity, y equal to sin x to the power sin x to the power sin x up to infinity. One question for you. If root over 1 minus x fourth plus root over 1 minus y fourth is equal to k into x square minus y square, then this is homework. Okay, then prove that dy by dx is equal to what? X into root over 1 minus what? Y fourth and y into root over 1 minus x fourth. Prove this. This is homework. Hint ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲି power 4 ଥିଲେ power 2 ଥିବ ଏଇଟାକୁ either sin or sin alpha sin beta or cos alpha cos beta ନେଇପାରିବ. Okay, these are almost the questions of the textbook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.